This is a lecture from OpenTuition. To benefit from the lecture, you should download the free lecture notes from opentuition.com.
Once again, in Lecture 3, we see no changes in terms of the rules that apply in terms of CGT, or indeed the techniques that are applied. So once again, we're going to be using the Finance Act of 2017 lecture. The only issues that you will see are the issues that we made reference to back at the beginning of our introduction to the first lecture here in Chapter 12. And that is dealing with losses, and also with dealing with the basic rate band limit, where the AEA, as we'll see here, that is discussed in Section 2 of this chapter in our OT notes, that we've used in both the class example that will be demonstrating the application of the use of losses as we move through different tax years, both using losses of the year and then using losses brought forward. There we have an AEA being applied, which is the FA 2017 level of AEA, which you know well now to be £11,300. When you rework the examples from your FA 2018 material, the only differences, of course, will be that we now use 11,700 as our AEA level. So you'll find the old AEA used in a class example, and also in your OT notes, the example I was just referring to, in example 7, where in your new notes you will apply the updated £11,700 worth of AEA. When you move then to Section 3, deals with the transfer of assets between spouses. Well, between spouses and or civil partners there, but it's the same basic rules as we've learnt all the way through. Wherever we see spouses, we also read civil partners in the context of the rules that apply, both in terms of income tax and again now in terms of CGT. But what may happen is that we may be dealing with the transfer of assets between spouses. And as you'll discover in this lecture, there's a very special way of dealing with that. We do not ignore it. We do not treat it as a normal disposal based on a market value, but instead what we have is what's referred to as a no gain, no loss transfer. Something which, in fact, when you look at corporate tax in terms of the chargeable gains areas there that apply to groups, there will also be an issue where transfers between spouses, as now you'll see in personal taxation, will work on what we call a no gain, no loss basis. We will deem the consideration on a transfer to give rise, having deducted any cost figures, giving rise to neither a gain nor a loss. What that basically equates to, as you'll see in the lecture, is that basically we transfer at cost between spouses. So a transfer goes through at cost, the transferor makes neither a gain nor a loss, and the transferee spouse acquires at that no gain, no loss transfer value, basically the transferor's cost there. Now, in examples that we do, both class examples, primarily they're class examples in point of fact, again, as it's the FA 2017 lecture, it's going to be using the basic rate band limit of £33,500 that applied in 17-18 tax year. The only difference for us, of course, is that now we would be using the £34,500 basic rate band limit that applies for our tax year, the 2018-19 tax year. Okay, so bearing those small changes in mind, again, the use of, in the lectures, the FA 2017 AEA, the use of the old, again, 2017-18 basic rate band limit of 33,500, all of the techniques demonstrated, all of the issues dealt with are the same. So now, therefore, on that basis, you can move on into and deal with Lecture 3.